Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect to CPA firm portal with ShareFile for tax documents, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect to CPA firm portal with ShareFile for tax documents, start by logging into your CPA. Navigate to the settings or integrations section of the portal. Look for an option labeled Connect to ShareFile or similar. Click on this option to begin the integration process. You may be prompted to enter your ShareFile account credentials. Provide the necessary email address and password associated with your ShareFile account. After entering your credentials, click on the Connect or Authorize button. Wait for the portal to process your request and establish the connection. Once connected, you should see a confirmation message indicating successful integration. Next, return to your CPA firm portal homepage. Locate the Document Management section specifically for tax documents. Click on the option to upload or synchronize documents with ShareFile. Select the files you want to transfer from your local system. After selecting the files, initiate the upload by clicking the designated button. Monitor the upload progress to ensure all documents are successfully transferred. Once the upload is complete, check the ShareFile dashboard for the new documents. Confirm that all tax documents are properly organized and accessible. If any issues arise, refer to the support section of both platforms for troubleshooting. Now your CPA firm portal is successfully connected to ShareFile for tax documents management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.